Over 200 people killed in Air India plane crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A deadly plane crash has killed at least 290 people after a passenger plane crashed on departure at an airport in Ahmedabad, India, health officials have stated. The plane was en route to London Gatwick Airport when it hit a hostel for doctors when it crashed. As images shows the tail protruding from the building, the death toll includes people on the plane and others on the ground, police have stated. A total of 241 of the 242 people aboard the Air India flight were killed in the crash, the airline said. Miraculously, a single British national survived the impact. The lone survivor in the crash could be seen walking away from the wreckage, as videos of this has been published on social media. Images later surfaced of the British national in a hospital bed receiving treatment. According to initial reports, he had switched seat when he boarded the plane and opted to take a window seat near an emergency exit. Officials presume that this might have been a contributing factor to where he was seated while his life was spared. Videos surfaced online showing the plane taking off normally before quickly descended into a fireball. The plane was a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, according to Flight Trader. It's the first major incident involving that aircraft. Boeing said it's ready to support the authorities in India as a massive investigation has commenced. Air India has seen a few rare high-profile plane crashes throughout the years. Previous incidents have spurred Indian authorities to improve its safety and infrastructure, but challenges still remain. The flight was said to be carrying 230 passengers and 12 crew members when it crashed, killing all except one on board. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.